Hello friends, welcome to Inspired Fingers, and this is our first lesson. So today I'll be introducing you to what music is and what it entails. So what is music? Music is an art of sounds in time that expresses ideas and emotions in significant forms through the elements of rhythm, melody, and harmony. So please take note of the word expresses, because it kind of qualifies music as a language, because we can use it to express our ideas, our thoughts, our feelings, and emotions. But let's address the other part of the definition, which says in significant forms through the elements of rhythm, melody, and harmony. Now, the rhythm, melody, and harmony are the elements of music, or you can also refer them to as the building blocks of music or the foundation of music. Now, we have more elements of music. We have different building blocks of music, but these are the three major building blocks of music. And your music won't be complete without these individual elements in play. So, for instance, I'm playing a song like or now, all I did was to incorporate the three building blocks of music and create something, create a tune. And I know you know it already. This is Mary Had a Little Lamb. And the reason why we were able to understand that it was Mary Had a Little Lamb was because we had the three basic elements of music in play. Okay, we had a melody, which was this. Oh, let me go back to C. So you could recognize it because of the melody. Now, we can say that melody is a recognizable tune of a particular song. Is that clear? Now, let's deal with the rhythm. The rhythm has to do with the timing or the beats of a particular song. And that's what enables us to be able to dance or clap to it. And more importantly, for us to be able to recognize the song. So without the rhythm, it will be so difficult, even though you have the melody already, it will be so difficult for you to recognize a particular song. Let me play another song so that I'll just test you to see without the rhythm whether you'll be able to understand that I was playing that song. Now, what did I play? It will be so difficult. Maybe for those that are professionals might be able to figure it out, but what I was playing was now you're able to tell that it is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and the reason is because each and every single note of this particular song or any song at all has a rhythmic value, and that's what enables us to understand or recognize it with the melody as well. So the melody has to be there, and also the rhythmic value for each and every one of the single notes have to be there so that people can, understand the song better, And finally, harmony. Harmony has to do with a combination of two or more notes being held down together or played together as a unit. So this is a harmony, another one, and just like that. How do you get a point? And there's this thing harmony does for us. It colors the music. It's another color. It's another color. It's another color. It's another color. So it colors the music and gives that music a kind of rich feeling. Because with the melody alone, it sounds somehow empty. Like if I play Mary Had a Little Lamb one more time. It sounds so empty. It's sounding nice, but it's sounding very empty. But with the harmony together, now it sounds more rich. So that's what harmony does for us. So I think I'm done with this explanation. We need the melody, we need the rhythm, and we need the harmony to create a full music. It's very important. Those are the three building blocks of music. Like I said, we have other building blocks of music, but these are the three basic or major building blocks of music that must be there for us to create a rich sounding music. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next lesson where we talk about the music as a language. Thank you so much, and goodbye.